agree with the president.
Good.
Maybe the president yalisema. Thaishi kuri kindu gwamba kwa gukuhintira nakyo. The moment Raila abire kweherera strong opposition kuri ateti ingi magire ciugo cia kwaragia. They used to use Raila as their political campaign.
Correct.
Way. No ruri matiri no ndungi. So they maletha to strategy tungi. And igo kuhenia. Ino ya one man one vote washini. Kuri andu makumihuthira ya kwiyaka kurugama muingi-ini kwi publicize. Then all president aruga kuri andu mari in campaign mode everywhere and then kuyethera ngumo thaici. But haria tu hagitra tumakenia atiriri, will we see betrayal in politics?
Keguri ikiuria kimwe. Deputy President abirie campaign ciakeri. For current president hidio akiri deputy president abirie campaign ciakeri.
O Masho Katame yake.
Masho Katame yake.
Yes.
Ona ndakoretwo anina mwaka umwe. So adoria enake hahari kano no ngoro hititi ngiuga ni student ake. Ona magi kama hitio mariko magi abia campaign tene.
Tuge othe ona campaign ciake ambiriria uri atwambiriria kuhuthira prayers.
Yes.
Interdenominational prayers.
Correct.
Though it was a political campaign. Ya ndia higorire kuona mahoya mau ndia kanitha gwitu. Because it was a political campaign rally to don after kuhoya ri speech ya sharutiro kogo na twambiriria campaign immediately. How?
Murugwito Newton. Yes. Mwangi wake Ojori nionekanite gukorwo agikirira President William Ruto na njira nene. In fact